beauties, welcome to my video section. Today I'm going to show you my GLOWNIQUE AURA makeup brush set, what's included and what you can expect by purchasing this makeup brush set. My name is Angelica and I'm a certified makeup artist from Milan, Italy. I actually graduated from one of the most prestigious and recognized school in North America called the CMU, College of Makeup Arts and Design. I take a lot of pride for that because being a makeup artist was always my dream, even back when I was living in Italy. But this gave me an opportunity to really understand fully and professionally the application of makeup, the various technique, and I had awesome teachers. I had people like working on set with Hollywood stars teaching me techniques. I had people working for fashion magazines and fashion shows all over the world. So I've been instructed and taught by the best of the best, I can say. So I'm here to offer you my passion, my knowledge, and honestly, we created this product together with my husband. My husband helped me a lot with the creation of this product and to make this dream come true. So my husband is always behind the scene, and I am the face of the brand. As you can see, I'm the one showing up, doing tutorials and explaining things to you guys. But honestly, we put a lot of effort and passion for so many months working behind the scene with this makeup brush set, and I do believe and consider this makeup brush set like one of the best that you can possibly find. First of all, the name GLOWNIQUE, it's all about the glow and the unique. Basically, it's glow and unique together, the two words, because I think that every woman can glow in their own special and unique way, and makeup is just so powerful to make you feel more confident, to just starting your day feeling like you're pampering yourself and feeling like you're ready to take the world. Like sometimes I feel that way, so hopefully you guys can relate with that feeling when you feel very beautiful and all put together. And this product is dedicated to all you beautiful women, because I think everybody can glow, and every woman is beautiful, and the makeup is just a way to accentuate the beauty that is already there. Being a professional makeup artist, I find myself to be in a different belief from most of the things that I see outside. Like, for example, I do believe that no matter, even if you put makeup, it should always be classy. Maybe, I don't know, it's my Italian background and the fact that we are so much into fashion and elegance, but I do really believe in being classy and being elegant. Sometimes also less is more. So I'm just going to show you my point of view and my techniques as a certified makeup artist, because there's lots of people that is super talented with makeup, but it's something different. I feel like when you approach makeup from the eyes or the point of view of somebody that knows what it's doing, right? Somebody that actually went to school. Like I said, I went to college, and I had like the best of the teacher that I could possibly think about it, and I'm really thankful for that knowledge. Now I'm just like I just want to share that knowledge with you, because the way I entered in school, I was just like, I had a concept, I had an idea about what makeup should have been, But then once I started going to school and I had the professional teaching me the right way, I could really see a difference between what like an expert teaches and what an expert shows, or a teacher expects from the makeup that you're doing and the application, compared to what you see, for example, on social media, right? So I will show you like what's in the box now, because I think I'm already like, I'm so excited that I'm probably talking too much already, right? So like the packaging, I'm very proud about the packaging too, because I never seen any makeup brush set honestly coming in a package like that, and we put a lot of effort on the design of the package as well, because we wanted something that is beautiful. You can see it's like a box, so you can still use this box after purchasing your makeup brush set. Inside of the box you can find different products, because I wanted to like give you those extra things. So you can find a beauty blender. It's like a sponge that is like, yes, it's like a mango shaped. It's very good both for the face and also for the body, and I really love the shape because you can reach in the corner of the eyes or a smaller area of your face as well. Then there's this that you can, this sponge is specifically used to wash your face, to eliminate impurities and to exfoliate at the same time. Then you will find this headband that you can use when you want to do your skincare routine. I will use it for the skincare routine because like I think it's so pretty that it can get like messy with the makeup, but you guys are free to use it for whatever you want, and it's there for you to use both for makeup or for skincare. Now let's talk about how the brushes look, because that's where I put most of our efforts. So this comes, you see, we have this beautiful package, and I really love the color as well. And this is like a bag that you can use for anything, but even for your products. Inside there's the actual 30 pieces brush set. You can see here it says GLOWNIQUE AURA, and as you open you can see all these brushes. So it's a 30 pieces brush set, but what's amazing is that we included 3 skincare brushes, and you can find the explanation on how to use these brushes as well in my video series, where I explain you my skincare routine and how to use these brushes. But basically the idea behind this is not just to make a product that stands out, that is different, that is beautiful, and as you can see, like I try to make it like very glowy, because we came out with the name GLOWNIQUE, and the brush set is called Aura. It's all about the glow and like, yeah, having that beautiful glow. And the brushes are all 100% vegan and cruelty free. And the reason why this brush set is amazing is because, being a makeup artist, I noticed myself I was continuing to buy so many brush sets because maybe I was buying something and then in that specific makeup brush set I was like, I still need like this other brush, but it's not included in the set. So I always find myself spending extra money to buy the specialty brush. So this is another thing. This makeup brush set has some unique makeup brushes that you can buy usually just separately, and you don't find it inside of a makeup brush set. So I compact everything, put both skincare brushes, specialty brushes, and everything that you can possibly need for your everyday looks or even for more elaborated looks. So in this brush set, I really guarantee you, because this was my intent, you have everything. It's super complete. You cannot go wrong with this makeup brush set because it includes everything that you don't find in other makeup brush set, and you can go check for yourself. As you open the box over here, you will find this, and this is an explanation of each brush. More than an explanation is the number of the brush, because you will see every brush has a number. And in this I will explain the name of the brush as well, so you can get a better understanding on which brushes are inside and what they are meant for, what they are used for. So we added some additional bonuses. As you can see, you will receive this inside of your GLOWNIQUE AURA makeup brush set as well. Inside of the box you will find this. You have a code that you can scan with your phone, or you can go directly to the website. You can see underneath here where you can find my free video tutorials. I did like so much content. I tried my best to be as informative as I could be with my video tutorials. But you can go and scan this code and it will lead you directly to the content and to my video tutorials. Then we have a free ebook. You can scan the code, or you can go directly to the website over here, as you can see, and it's called Every Woman Makeup Essential. And basically it's this. It tells you like different techniques for makeup as well. Like there's lots of information over here. I provided already around 5 hours. I calculated around 5 hours of content with my video tutorials for GLOWNIQUE AURA with different makeup looks, but you have more here, and it explains you also like lots of stuff about the skin and the skin type, not just the makeup, as well like as a small introduction over here with something about like, you know, about the makeup history. Not really a lot of that, like very little. All the rest is about skincare, makeup techniques, and very informative things. So you can have this ebook by purchasing the GLOWNIQUE AURA makeup brush set and download it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please, if you love GLOWNIQUE AURA makeup brush set, feel free to leave us an honest review on Amazon, and just tell us your experience and how you feel about the product. We really appreciate your feedbacks, and thank you so much for watching this video, and enjoy all your tutorials, especially your GLOWNIQUE AURA makeup brush set. Bye beauties!